Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Ananya from P2P Labs, and in this video we are discussing everything you need to know about peer-to-peer lending application. So without any further delay, let's get started. First is, what is a peer-to-peer lending application? Well, peer-to-peer lending application is also called as P2P lending or social lending or crowd lending. It is an alternative for traditional source of lending and credit, such as banks and credit unions. It allows individuals to borrow, obtain loans directly from individual investors. Further, talking about the traditional banking, where an individual puts their money on a lower interest rate. The bank uses this money to lend to different individual or business on the basis of their credit rating. In certain countries, the banking system are not that advanced, and then to handle this, in 2005, P2P lending came into existence with the entry of ZOPA. Then we started connecting the below points in a single section. Further, let's look into some key points. Peer-to-peer lending application is a form of financial technology that allows people to lend or borrow money from one another without going through a bank. P2P lending websites connect borrowers directly to investors. The site sets the rate and terms and enables the transactions. P2P lenders and individual investors who want to get a better return on their cash saving, then they would get from bank saving account or certified of deposit. Then they would get from a bank saving account or certificate of deposit. P2P borrowers seek an alternative to traditional banks, and the P2P lenders get a higher rate as the default rate of P2P loans are higher than those in traditional finances. Now next, let's look into how does a peer-to-peer lending works. First, an investor puts their money in P2P marketplace. Then the money is sent from a P2P marketplace to a loan originator, and then that loan originator sends the money to the borrower. Then the borrower returns the money with the additional interest to the loan orientator, who transfers that money back to the P2P marketplace. And then the P2P marketplace deducts the fees and return the funds to the investor account. Then the investor can log into their peer-to-peer lending application and check their earning and investment progress. They can either reinvest any profit or withdraw them. The fees that P2P marketplace cuts is the main source of income of a P2P lending application. Now next, let's talk about the three top peer-to-peer lending applications in 2021. Number one is Upstart. Peer-to-peer lending application that began in 2012 touched more than $1.4 billion revenue in 2021. Then comes Prosper. Has been operating since back in 2005. It touched a revenue of more than $144 million in 2021. And then comes Funding Circle. Has been around since 2005 and touched the revenue of more than 64 million euros in 2021. Well, the P2P applications and their revenue make it very clear how well the P2P applications have been performing, and further have a great scope on this thing. If you are impressed by the overall working of P2P and wish to start your journey, well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below and connect with us at P2P Labs. And do not forget to check our live demo on the same for much clarity. With this, we come to the end of this video. We shall be back with more videos related to app world. Till then, you take care and keep brewing new ideas.